Hi guys, I have not vlogged since I think before Christmas, but I have no idea when this is going up. It's probably gonna be pretty late after Christmas, but Merry Christmas anyway. As you can see, I still have all of my decor up. It's a Saturday, wonderful, rainy, cloudy day. I love that kind of weather. I think it's so peaceful and restful, and I definitely want to take advantage of it. I don't get to do it very often, so I'm gonna force myself to, not force, because I think never mind, it's definitely not forcing myself to do it, but I am actually going to get back into my bed and relax. I'm gonna be on my laptop a little bit. I'm probably gonna be on my iPad, play some games. I'm gonna put a movie on my TV, and here is Loxy right there. So I got up this morning and I actually slept in late because I was up late. I was up late on my laptop, so I slept in, and when I woke up, realized it was raining. Just super cozy. I just have on the usual garb today, and it doesn't look like it, but I brushed my hair. You can just see, I don't know if you can tell, but it is literally early and it looks pretty dark in here. I made some pancakes for myself. I think my daughter's still sleeping upstairs. But yeah, so I'm gonna set up the camera. I don't know how this may be up some of your alleys and maybe not for some, but it's just gonna be a very relaxing, calming video. I'm probably gonna put on a little bit of music, and that's it. I don't think I'm gonna do much talking after this. I'm not gonna be doing, I don't think, any talking after this clip because I just want to relax. But if you want to relax with me, then come on, let's go. Swirl. Get the swirl. Other way. Other way. Go. Go the other way. The other way, Loxy. There you go. Over there.